category the non-Muslim, are they also kafir?
Let me just finish this, inshallah. وَأَخْرَجَتِ الْأَرْضُ أَثْقَالَهَا, and when the earth throws out its burdens. وَأَخْرَجَتِ الْأَرْضُ أَثْقَالَهَا, when the earth spits out what was inside of it, meaning the bodies. Right? وَقَالَ الْإِنسَانُ, the human being is going to say, مَا لَهَا. وَقَالَ الْإِنسَانُ مَا لَهَا. The human being is going to say, what's the matter with it? What's the matter with the earth that is spitting all this stuff out? Right? يَوْمَئِذٍ تُحَدِّثُ أَخْبَارَهَا. That is the day it will declare its information about all what happened over it or in it, of good and evil. يَوْمَئِذٍ تُحَدِّثُ أَخْبَارَهَا بِأَنَّ رَبَّكَ أَوْحَى لَهَا. Because Allah, the Lord of that earth, your Lord, the Lord of the earth and you and the sun and the heavens and everything, has given it wahi, gave it revelation, inspired the earth to do that. So the earth is going to do that too. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can record any kind of way He wants, and everything that's recorded, everything that we do, of course, is recorded, even the things that, of course, we forgot. فَيُنَبِّئُهُمْ بِمَا عَمِلُوا يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ فَيُنَبِّئُهُمْ جَمِيعًا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says He's going to inform them all what they did. بِمَا عَمِلُوا, all of what they did. أَحْصَاهُ اللَّهُ وَنَسُوهُ. Allah stored it up and they forgot what they did. And you know that we forget, because right now, I don't care how little you eat. Right now, I guarantee you, can you tell me last Tuesday what you ate between Dhuhr and Maghrib? Did you eat between Dhuhr and Maghrib? You did. But what did you eat? See? That's last Tuesday. A week from yesterday. How much more what you did of good or evil last week, or the week before, or 5 years ago, or 15 years ago? أَحْصَاهُ اللَّهُ وَنَسُوهُ. Allah stored it up, Allah kept it, and they forgot it. Allah's going to inform us of everything we did. And that's why we should ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allahumma stu' awratina wa amin raw'atina waqti 'anna daynik. Or we should ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to cover our awra, meaning not just the physical awra with the salve, but to cover our awra here also means, included, our sins. Amin raw'ati, and give us security from the fear that we're going to have of being exposed. وَآمِنُ رَوْعَتِي, and give us comfort, and don't let us tremble, because there are going to be some people who are going to be trembling till they perspire. They're going to perspire, man. And they're going to perspire and perspire and perspire and sweat, and it's going to be a bad, dreadful day. So we ask Allah to protect us. No. No, this is because I have to go anyway, inshallah.
Let me just ask you, the angels stuff around us.
So we don't say that the angels sit around us. We say that the angels are hovering over us, and they envelop us with their wings. And Allah's sakina descends upon us, and His mercy, because we're discussing the book of Allah. And there's not one house among the houses of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that the Qur'an is being studied and discussed except that this happens. So it's happening right now.
One person that is reciting Qur'an or looking for Sunnah, they can start with stand up and listen to and go back to the book. That is the video.
Unless we have a text, this is an area of the unseen and the hidden. Those things that are hidden from our view, we wouldn't be able to say it. I'm not saying it doesn't happen. I'm just saying that without a text, it's difficult to say it. I mean, it's not difficult, it's impossible to say it. And we have to have a text. Yeah, because we have a specific text that talks about a specific place doing a specific thing. to take that specific thing and place and stretch it to say it also happens at home. So if we got the same brothers right now gathered together in your house, I can't say that happens. Because the hadith says, مَا مِن بَيْتٍ مِن بُيُوتِ اللَّهِ, not that one of the houses of Allah. There's not one of the houses of Allah except that this happens. And we know that no, this is not hadith Qudsi. This is the hadith in Imam al-Nawawi's 40 hadith. It's just the hadith al-Nawawi, it's the plain hadith. I mean by plain, I mean a non-hadith Qudsi.
Wherever a group is down the path talk about Allah's name and attributes, the angel spread their wings around that group, take it back to Allah.
It could be.
So
it could be.
The Lord,
it could be.
And that wherever a group.
This is a question we can ask also.
When we look for a moon in the morning, like from time to time, you're going to be with it.
Who?
I think they can many times when you come for and you somewhere, you know, tell you, it's because you are red, but like,
listen, we have to remember that no matter what you do of good, you're always going to have some, you know, the angels are going to be with you, inshallah, because they're believers and they want to be with those who believe and do righteous deeds. But to specifically say yes, we'd have to have a text. In general, we know that they want to be with those who believe, and they want to be with those who do the right thing. That's why the Prophet ﷺ mentioned about not eating the onions and the garlics and coming to the masjid. At the end of the hadith, he said the angels are offended and harmed by those things that the children of the son of Adam is offended and harmed by. Right? So the angels love good smelling things and they don't like bad smelling things. The angels love good sounding things and they don't like bad sounding things.
Raw garlic and raw, not cooked.
Yes, raw onions and garlic, yes.
From the book, Islamic ruling, it talks about the two-dimensional, and talks about the angels of grace, not the angels of grace.
Right.
Not the angels who have to do their,
right. Right.
But it's also the angels of grace. There's another hadith from the book, what's the essence of the book of
right.
A couple of things, you know, and then the answer.
Right.
But it's the book went through a lot of that. According to Mustafi, that the Muslims don't want to buy the book. I was over there in Fuzzy. He had, they say the Muslims don't want nothing to do with this. So, no.
Yeah, it's probably afraid.
Yes, very.
Because of the information.
Yeah. 4 or 5 pages out, so the book is very informative.
That's Tafweer.
The Islamic ruling of Tafweer.
On pictures and images and readers.
There are two
Yes, Sheikh al-Albani's reputation. Okay, with that, inshallah, it's 4 minutes to 10. No.
Not
in English.
I mean, not in Arabic.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of books. All the major books of Aqeedah deals with the Ma'iyah of Allah, how Allah is with you. One of the best ones is Al-Ulu or Ulu Allah. I think it's called Ulu Allah or Al-Ulu by Imam al-Zahabi. Imam al-Zahabi. He deals with all those issues of Fawqiyya, Ma'iyya, Allah being above, Allah being with. He deals with all those issues. And alhamdulillah, Sheikh Al-Albani is the one who went through the book, did the revision of it and corrected of it.
How Sheikh started, and the book brings that out.
Yeah, with pictures. Sheikh started with pictures.
Brings out clear. A lot of pictures is respected.
No. Inshallah.
Have you ever considered autobiography?
No, never. No, because I don't consider my thing that all that special. You know?
Have you considered?
No.
Is there anything wrong with that?
No, it's nothing. You can do it, yeah. People do it all the time.
I think you should.
Yeah.
Doesn't have when you write a book, something about the author, right? And that's short by a person.
Right. Yeah, I just never see.
I think it's valuable for the people who have interest in the people. Because we all gonna pass away.
Yeah.
It could be direct rather than someone giving a biography or autobiography.
I would add to that. I mean, there are people who giving the same information you're giving, but there's a way how you give the information that they can affect people.
One of the things that Dawud recommends that people tell me that man, we understand that narrative that from that is people don't understand it. And recitation from the Qur'an, when you recite Qur'an, we pick up every letter that we recite. We pick up every letter that we recite. So two of the biggest lessons there, one is that they understand clearly, and second, they pick up every letter when you recite Qur'an.
May Allah make us all benefit from what all of us do.
So you're going to tell us what you're going to do Friday? Or you're not going to tell us?
You mean for khutbah? Yeah, we already know what you mean as far as what specific area? Yeah, I'll tell you now. Because I asked my wife just tonight on the way over here. I said, this is the last one for the clarifications of common mistakes. So I asked her, what should I do? Should I do janazah, Jum'ah, or Siyam?
What is Salah?
She said, I should do janazah.
Janazah and Salah.
No, I'm not going to do Salah.
Janazah is good.
On the picture, a lot of people I see you make picture with your left hand. I didn't mention it.
Yeah, because there's some discussion if it's permissible or not. Some people say it's permissible. But I think the janazah, I don't know, I think I might do the janazah because the men has no type of area. It wouldn't benefit the people in the audience as much as the janazah would. Right, yeah, because that's something that affects us all the time. Right. Yeah. The Prophet ﷺ says, أيما إيهاب طبغ فقد طهر. أو كما قاله عليه الصلاة والسلام. Any skin that has been tanned is pure, including pig skin. No. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.